So I'm going to show you how to add a new page onto the main menu. So in the back end, we are going to we're going to scroll down, we're going to find the Appearance tab on the left, click on Menus, scroll down, and you can see our very top main menu on the website. So I'll just go back to show you where this is. So everything's there, even your drop downs, and you can see the way it's kind of positioned in the back end here. You can also see at the end of these grey tabs on the right, they say exactly what type of pages they are. So there could be a category, custom link, or a page. So I'm just going to add this new page called the Studio that I've made. I made this in my last video as well if you want to check out how I did this. And as you can see, it's just added itself to the end of the list. Again, I can select this and move this further up or add it as a sub to one of the existing menu titles. But I'm going to click Save Menu. And as you can see, here it is on the front of the website. And I click on it and it goes straight through to the page. And that is how you add a new page to your existing menu. If this video is going far too fast for you, by all means, don't forget to pause or watch it back. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials. They are over on my channel. I do WordPress tutorials, Photoshop, Illustrator, the works. You can also like and comment if this video was of use to you.